All right, and we're back. This is just another quick unboxing. Some of you know, if you've been following the channel here, I've been doing work on my Ram 1500. I can't justify buying a new truck. I was actually thinking about picking up a new Ram 1500, four-wheel drive. Number one, I do not like that straight six engine. Rumor has it the Hemi's going to be coming back in 2026. That Hurricane engine, I'll pass. There's just no way, twin turbo or not, I don't care. But again, I just couldn't justify the cost. I look at it, for as much as I drive my truck, to 2013, it only has, say, just under 67,000 miles on it now. I drive it sparingly because, again, I am retired. So, it's just not worth $60,000, $50,000 for a brand new Ram that's just going to sit. So I've been gradually fixing it up. So this is another purchase recommended. Again, something I've been thinking about doing. And then, of course, John from Boosted Motorsports. If you don't follow his channel, follow it. If you have a Ram in particular, because he does all kinds of Mopar stuff in general, but Ram related. So, and he bought one of these for his truck. And I said, all right, well, let me look into it for mine and we'll see what we got. So what I got here is, get this out. This is the replacement radio. All right. It's a 9-inch screen. It's CarPlay, Android. Put one in his truck. He loves it. The only issue he had was he runs the remote microphone and the internal microphone. Between the two of them, they were causing a feedback. I'm not even going to hook up the microphone. I don't need it. I don't talk on my phone when I'm driving, period. I wait till I stop somewhere if I'm on a trip. So that's just not going to happen. But this version is the, got to be on here. There we go. Okay. Right there. Bring this up closer. 9-inch screen, 2G, 64 gigabytes of ROM in it. So, and what this is like a direct swap out, is what it is for the Ram. So you pull it out, you take your radio surround out, you pop the radio, and then you disassemble the surround. And you move this over to the surround, and then move your heater control switches over to this. Now this is the one for the four-speed fan. Okay, I don't have the 7-speed because again mine is an express with options, so they did not order the upgraded package. So this is it here. Let me get this out of the tape. Oh, nice. They put this fancy. It's open here, but it doesn't want to come apart. There we go. Now we got it. Let me get this over here where you guys can see what I'm doing. Get this out of the pack. All right, so this is what you got right here. So that's it. So you got a 9-inch touchscreen. You move your heater controls over. This mounts into the surround on your Ram. Okay? And then everything is plug and play. So you have an actual built-in GPS, and everything's in the kit here. I'll show you the wiring in a second. Let me put this back in the bag. So this has a 30-day return window, so I am going to try to get this installed as soon as possible. So you guys, just keep an eye out. If you want to see the installation the way I do it, like and subscribe to the channel. And then you'll get to see exactly how I do it. All right, that goes there. All right, and then here's the whole bag. So supposedly, again, this is plug and play. There's no soldering of wires. Everything just plugs in and is ready to go. So plugs into the radio. That plugs into your factory harness. And then it works with the factory backup camera, GPS antenna. This is for the module for the steering wheel. You have to plug this in to be able to use your steering wheel controls. And then there's all kinds of like another extra external USB, which I'm probably not going to use. This is the USB. This actually plugs into the truck. So you can use your auxiliary in your center console or in your jump seat, which I have the jump seat. So, and I don't even know what the heck that is. I have no idea, but I'm sure I'll find out when I go through the little booklet here. So that's this right here. So we'll get it figured out. We'll get it installed, and, you know, we'll do a video, and we'll go from there. User, yeah, so there we go. This is pretty in-depth user manual. Navigation function. I mean, it's got everything that you would want that the new vehicles would come with. Again, it's an upgrade to what I have, so this is gonna be going in a truck soon. So, all right. In any case, thanks for watching as always. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see the install, make sure you're subscribed. It'll be coming soon. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.